Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedytech and this is a speed test between Xiaomi's Mi A2 and the Huawei Nova 3i. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Mi A2 sports a Snapdragon 660 processor with Adreno 512 GPU, while the Huawei Nova 3i sports a Kirin 710 processor with Mali G51 MP4 GPU. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Purely based on CPU performance, there isn't a huge difference between both phones, but when it comes to GPU performance, Mi A2 is better. Now for the regular speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it exactly is. By the way, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the applications have been updated to the latest version. So let's see how they perform. In the speed test, Mi A2 was noticeably faster than Nova 3i, so obviously Mi A2 is the winner. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Now let's see how they perform. In the memory management round, Mi A2 was able to keep more apps in memory and was much more responsive than Nova 3i. So once again, Mi A2 is the winner. Now for the last speed test, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster. So finally, even while opening games, Mi A2 was faster. So guys, on the whole, Mi A2 is definitely better in terms of performance and memory management when compared to the Huawei Nova 3i. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Greedytech signing off. Have a nice day.